Howdy, folks. We're off on another adventure today. Here we are waking up in Dandridge, Tennessee. Gotta love those Tennessee mountains the first time you see them in the background. And our destination today is Ujoint Offroad in Fletcher, North Carolina. One of the purposes of today's trip is here a couple weeks ago, I had a customer call me. We're going to call this customer Jack, and we're going to call him Jack because, well, his name is Jack. Jack calls me up and he says, "Hey, Levi, I just inherited a Kodiak, little Class B plus motorhome from a family member that passed away. I still have the Born Free I purchased from you, and I have no need for two coaches. Would you be interested in purchasing this Kodiak motorhome from us?" We work out a deal, and we get to talking about his Born Free, and he says it's actually up in Ujoint right now in Fletcher, North Carolina, getting converted to four-wheel drive, and it should be done here in a couple weeks. So I said, "Hey, Jack, you know that you're in South Georgia and I'm in Ohio, so it sounds like North Carolina would be a good meeting spot for us to do this deal. Give me an opportunity to meet the guys at Ujoint, see your coach, and do the deal here." So Jack drove the Kodiak up here and is going to drive the Born Free back home. I drove my little silver Honda down here. I will hook that up behind the Kodiak and get myself, the Kodiak, and the car back home to Ohio. There's the car, and in the background you're going to see the Kodiak, which will be coming soon for sale at Kuhn Truck and RV. So I've been wanting to meet these guys here at Ujoint Offroad because they're one of the most well-known conversion companies here in the U.S. They convert any of your E-Series Ford vans, whether that's a Class B, B+, or Class C2 four-wheel drive. So I wanted to have a conversation with Chris here to see if it was something that he'd be interested in selling me kits, and we do the conversion here at Kuhn Truck and RV. So the purpose of today's video is to find out from you, our viewers, our past customers, and hopefully some of our future customers, whether you think this is a good package that we can offer to add on to any of our Ford E-Series motorhomes. So we'd like you to give us some feedback, whether you want to drop a comment below or shoot us an email of what you think of doing this here at Kuhn Truck and RV. One of the benefits is going to be the speed at which you're going to get the conversion done. Chris is typically on a 7 to 8 month lead time to do a conversion. He can have the kit built and sent to me in 8 weeks, and we can quickly have the conversion done here at Kuhn Truck and RV. Out front here are sitting a couple of Chris's personal rigs. The silver van on the left is his family travel vehicle. The blue one in the middle is his flatbed truck, and the yellow school bus belongs to one of his employees. Here towards the end, you're going to see on the left, Chris, the owner of Ujoint, Jack, one of my previous customers, and myself on the right.